Welcome back to Leena's Flavours. Today I will be showing you the recipe of Surmai fish fry. Let's start. Let's check the ingredients. Here I have taken 4 to 5 Surmai fish pieces. Now let's check the spices. I have taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of Malwani fish masala. This is optional. You can take any other fish masala or garam masala. Then for coating, I have taken semolina or rava and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This will add a more crispy texture to your fish. Then 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil for frying fish. Now for garnishing, I have taken coriander leaves and lime juice. To start with, I am going to mix all the spices together. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to get a good binding. Also 2 teaspoons of water. And now I am going to mix it together to form a paste for the fish marination. Now the marination paste is ready. I'm going to apply to the fish one by one from both the sides. For coating the fish, I'm going to take semolina or rava, then a rice flour, and here I've taken spices red chili powder, Malwani fish masala and little bit of salt. I'm going to add to it. Let's mix it together. And now we are going to coat the fish in this mixture from both the sides. I've already preheated a pan on medium flame. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to add the fish one by one. Now let's cook the fish for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we will flip it to other side. After cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, now I'm going to flip it to the other side. Let's see. Yeah. Now let's cook from the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Fish looks ready. Now let's take it out. My fish fry is ready. Now let me garnish it with some coriander leaves. And lemon. You can also sprinkle some chaat masala on top of it to enhance the taste. Surmai fish fry is ready. Hope you enjoyed my today's video. Please try it out and let me know. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Leena's Flavours YouTube channel, Facebook page and Instagram. See you soon. Bye bye.